Who you that prank can go like say a prank that? Turn down the pipe. Turn down the pipe because
me down the one. Big. Stop. This tissue drop there. These are furniture.
What's up guys, you know it's your girl CC. I'm there back with a huge promotion guys. So today I want to go over to Life with Susan and the kids. Please me ask you to go over there guys. Almost every video we drop, the person comment 5 times on every video we drop guys. So I just want you to go over there, show her some love, like, share, comment and subscribe. Comment and make them know say CC and Nathan said no. The next person is Sean and Shauna. May I ask you to please go over to them channel, show them some love, make them know say CC and Nathan said no. The link for the 2 channel will be down in the description guys, so just click it. Go over there, subscribe, show them some love, box them up, kick them up, thump them up, crab them up, bite them up, everything. Make them know say CC and Nathan send no guys. Please me I beg. What's up guys? I don't know, say it's a girl CC and from I see me by myself and I don't know what time it is. So guys, yet and then at the bathroom my bed. You understand me guys? So what me I gonna do is me I go in the walk-in pan him, turn on the camera pan him and everything. And I'm going to tell him that I'm going to put him on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on everything, on Twitter, on everything. And post him up naked. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell him that I'm going to post him naked on the media. To see him reaction guys. I'm going to do this on him on our first channel. And I'm going to say alright, I'm going to do it back on him again guys. So and this is a Nathan I go on bad. I want to hear my son guys. I'm sick bad. So guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Spam comment section the team CC all day, every day, period. Because all when time me sick, you know. Me not sit down, you know, I just take beer pranks, you know. So let's get back on my feet guys. Honestly say, me I take time and I get better. So I'm gonna say alright. Prank time now. I'm back at it again. I still not feel better, but me I go feel better if I do this pan Nathan. So like, share, comment and subscribe. Please remember to watch the ads. Yeah guys. So guys, I'm actually there at the door. I go pull it now and go in. Nathan.
Oh.
Okay, Anna?
Jesus Christ.
Wow. No. I'm like this one. Happy nice.
Go little walk.
Me say it's happy nice.
So we are in this camera.
Me I go show up everybody. Thank you. We have Come here. Nathan, we did a ramp with.
Sorry.
Teamwork.
You're right. Where should I be right?
Nathan, we said teamwork.
We said
teamwork. Teamwork.
Stop. Teamwork.
Teamwork.
You can't set Alicia.
You better release me and do it.
No. Don't video me this.
You can't tell me that the next minute, the time when I'm done with the phone game. Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. It's a good one, you know. It's going down, down, down. It's going down. Teamwork. Teamwork. It's a good one, you know, babe. Teamwork. Where do? Teamwork. Your office come and go. Set team CC. Set team CC. Alright, I'm not hold back here. What you see? Me say what? Teamwork. I'm not business that set sheet. Okay, you're not set team CC. Me say Nathan, teamwork. Who you that prank? Can I go like say you're a prank? Turn down the pipe. Turn down the pipe, people.
Babe, stop. These people drop there. These are furniture.
Nathan, teamwork.
Yo, we are watching something on the
Teamwork. Nathan, teamwork.
You know, I said team CC.
Teamwork then. Yeah, me a go for there.
Yo!
Teamwork. Teamwork. You feel like me laughing? Me nah go on teamwork. You can't just say team CC.
Me nah say no team CC. Go on. Alright, team CC.
All day, every day.
You're ready?
Say the last something for the end.
What?
Say it. P.
What?
Team CC all day, every day, then what?
Nathan.
Period.
You're ready?
Period.
Be one.
Period.
Period. Please, yo.
Oh, I love you too, but I had to do this, baby. I just have to. Don't cuss the bad word. You can't cuss bad word after.
Sorry. Yo, the water hot, you know? Ooh. Yeah, the water hot. Alicia.
Wow.
You done?
Yeah?
No, come back.
We might tell about don't come.
Kalisa, are you again?
We are tell don't come back.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
We
no.
are tell don't come back.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Kalisa,
It's going down, down, down.
B,
It's
stop,
going
stop,
down.
stop.
There's the Lord over in the dark.
Stop.
Alright, we go now.
Delete your Kalisa. You can't post that.
Well, yeah, go see.
Delete your
Yeah, go see. So guys, and this is my kitchen. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. And spam my comment section. It's Team CC all day, every day. Period. Period.
And